Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide someone's comment on your post in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now go to your profile page by clicking on the profile picture in the left hand side of your screen. Scroll down your screen and go to the comment that you wanna hide. Now press and hold on the comment. And here you can see the hide comment option. Click on it. And that is how you can hide someone's comment on your post in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.